this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop, where I am going to use one of the free cut files that are from International Scrapbooking Day. And I started this I did a live in the Facebook group over the weekend, and I told the ladies that I would do a process video and that this would be the next process video that is going up on my channel regarding this cut file. Now, as you can tell, I did all the backing, I did everything acetate, and my trick to the shaker pockets is taking any type of an ink, going over the fun foam because it soaks into it, and then when you press it down, it leaves an image of where you want to leave it. Now, I have little strips in the shaker pocket for the word create, just so that it wouldn't fall apart. So that is where those lines are, and I made sure that my sequence is in between those. And the other trick that I do is that I do not put the glue on the shaker pocket on the cut file. I actually put it on the paper, and that way when you put it down, it's not going to try to run or seep or any of that sort. And that's how I'm able to keep everything intact. Those are just my tidbits on doing shaker pockets. If you didn't want to do like a movable shaker pocket, or you're like trying to move them around the paper and they are just going to stay still, those are my two things. I have learned over doing many shaker pockets for confessions, not for confessions, but for Spiegel Mom Scraps, when I was on her design team when I first started out for YouTube and whatnot. I liked how I was able to tweak that, and I've just progressed a little bit more. Now, when I do the movable shaker pockets, and I'm making them where I need to place them because it's part of like an embellishment, that I will do the front and back and, do it together and make sure that they don't stick that way. But this part right here where it doesn't have any of the paper, I knew that I wasn't going to actually need it. I just didn't know exactly which parts were going to stick out. So I knew for a fact that these pins were going to stick out. So I did those, but the others, I knew I was just going to cut and make sure that it fit in there. So if something was showing, I just cut it because I don't need that part. But I wanted you to at least see what the full cut file was, just in case if you did not catch my live over on the weekend in the group. Now, make sure that you do go check out the group. She has four or five new cut files that are free for International Scrapbooking Day, or over the weekend and stuff. So make sure that you go get those. This is one of them. I absolutely love it. It's super gorgeous, and you could use this for just about anything. The photo that I have is of my good friend Fran and I. This was last year. She was able to come down for International Scrapbooking Day, and her and I hung out with my daughter because my husband was deployed at the time. This year, I forgot to take a photo. Yep, I did, but that's okay. Not always do I always have to make memories and scrapbook the photos, right? But I forgot this year. But I'll tell you what, my mojo to be able to do layouts and stuff has been on a 0. And you guys know this. I mean, I've been talking about it. It's like a major thing that a lot of people may not talk about or not want to talk about, but you have to. So here I am. I'm just like putting the embellishments and whatnot on this cut file. I didn't do any mixed media. I did a shaker pocket, but that was about it. I didn't even do mixed media, which I could have done. I could have actually splattered everywhere, but I decided not to. I do come in with my black pen at the end and obviously go around and do my my crazy stitching looking thing that I do. Another thing is I got my 8-piece that I needed, the 8 cube that I needed for my room. So my craft tour room should be coming up soon. I just have a couple more smaller things to get so that it looks a little bit better, and then I can be able to do it. So I'm super excited for that. But here I am. I'm just adding all these bits, and here's the end. So make sure that you go check out Confessions of the Paper Attic Cut File Shop, all of the cut files, everything. There's over 1,000 of them. I absolutely love her. I have been part of her for a while. So here are the still shots. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.